It's free.
It's what? Holy shit, this is incredible. Actually, I shouldn't drink. I fell in love with this girl, and she's gonna marry an idiot, so I'm on my way to Vegas to stop them.
That's the sweetest thing I've ever heard. Where are they getting married?
That's the problem. I don't know where, but I'm gonna run around and find them, you know, if I gotta do what I gotta do.
Oh, next time they come by, grab me a Heineken, will you?
She comes over to tell me how she feels, and Linda answers the door wearing nothing but my Van Halen t-shirt.
No way.
I don't know what to do. She's getting married, and he's gonna ruin her life.
Yeah, Glenn doesn't deserve her. All he cares about are possessions. Fancy cars, CD players. Even women are possessions to him.
See, Billy Idol gets it. I don't know why she doesn't get it.
Oh, I hope you find her.
You guys will not believe this. Some creeping coach who thinks he's Don Johnson just asked me to be part of the Mile High Club. He said I was grade A, top choice meat.
Is he right in here?
What's the Mile High Club?
Oh my god. The Mile High guy is Glenn. They're on this plane.
No way!
You guys gotta help me.
Right!
Good afternoon, everyone. We're flying at 26,000 feet, moving up to 30,000 feet, and we got clear skies all the way to Las Vegas. And right now, we're bringing you some in-flight entertainment. One of our first-class passengers would like to sing you a song inspired by one of our coach passengers. And since we let our first-class passengers do pretty much whatever they want, here he is.
I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches. Build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control.
What the hell's that fruit doing here?
Get out of the way!
Excuse me, sir, I have to serve the beverages.
How you doing, sir? Chicken or fish?
You better get out of my way, Billy. You're gonna get hurt.
Oh, yeah?
Don't you talk to Billy Idol that way.
So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink. Put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. Oh, I could be the man who grows old with you. I wanna grow with you.
That was the most beautiful song.
I got a confession to make. That song was about you. I'm in love with you.
I am so in love with you.
Hey, Robbie, that wasn't a bad song. You know, I'm going to tell those record company guys about you.
Mind if I give her a kiss first?
Oh, yeah, do what you got to do.